So friends, if you have your bank account in Indusind Bank and if you are using Indusind Bank's debit card but you don't remember your PIN anymore and you want to change it, then in this particular video, I'm going to guide you through each and every step for changing debit card PIN. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So the very first thing you have to do is open Indusmobile application in your phone. Now it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once you start the application completely, at the top you can check out your account number, you can check out your balance, you can check out your account details and statement as well. But as you want to change your debit card PIN, for that you need to go in card section over here on the home screen, and later on it will give you two options, debit card and credit card. So you can choose whichever PIN you want to change. If you want to change PIN for credit card, you can select credit card. If you want to change PIN for debit card, go and select debit card option. On the next page, you can check out some basic details. At the top, you can check out your card number. If you want to check out the CVV and expiry date, you can tap on this particular option. And in security, you get multiple options. If you want to block the card, you have that option. If you want to manage some details related to your card, you can choose that option as well. Now, if you want to change the PIN or reset the PIN, you can see in security, you get an option of set or reset PIN. So you just have to tap on that particular option. And on the next page, you need to enter the CVV, you need to enter the validity, date of birth, and you need to enter the PAN details. Once you enter each and everything, just select validate and proceed option. So I have entered the new PIN 2 times. Now let's select reset debit card PIN option. And now it will give you a pop-up screen like this. Are you sure you want to reset your debit card PIN? If you want to reset it, you can select yes. If you don't want to reset it, you can select no option. I'm going to tap on yes option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. You have to enter the OTP and then select submit option. As you all can see, I have entered the OTP. Let's select submit option. And now you can see your request to reset the PIN has been executed successfully. So yeah, we have changed the debit card PIN in Indusmobile application. So if you don't remember your PIN, you don't have to go to ATM each and every time to reset your PIN. You can just use Indusmobile application to reset your debit card PIN. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.